Here's a quick video on how to replace the battery in your Dodge Charger key fob. You're going to need a 2450 battery. You can get these off Amazon. I've put a link below in the description. I'll take straight there. I'm also going to be using a small flat tip screwdriver. So right here, there's a little silver button. You want to press that and remove your emergency key. This is the half that's going to be coming up. You can use your emergency key right here to kind of pry this back half off, or a screwdriver. But just kind of pry it like this. You can see that back half popped up. And pull that off. Now either use your mechanical key or your screwdriver, and you're just going to want to pry this cover here. So I like to pry here and pry there. That gives you access to your battery. Put your screwdriver here and pop out that dead battery. Make sure you place a new one in, positive side facing upward like that. This goes like that. And then this cap here, you just want to make sure these line up right there. Give it a good squeeze. Put your key back in, and you're all set. There's no need to reprogram. Hope that was helpful. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button.